ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel
Cholita, talam.
like the house of cards?
We're recording. Ay, sorry.
Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 foot under screen, but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance you, 'cause that's just part of you. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come and show them what you work. Make them go, oh, oh, oh. You're gonna leave it going down, ah, ah. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come and show them what you work. Make them go, oh, oh, oh. You're gonna leave it going down, ah, ah. You don't have to feel like a wish of space. Your original cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds after a hurry comes a rainbow. Maybe a reason why all the doors are closed, so you can open one that leads you to the perfect coast. Like a lightning bolt, your heart was low. Now it's time, you know. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come and show them what you work. Make them go, ah, ah, ah. You're gonna leave it running down, ah, ah. Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon. It's always been inside of you. And now it's time to let it through. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come and show them what you work. Make them go, oh, oh, oh. You're gonna leave it going down, ah, ah. Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon. It's always been inside of you. But let it through. Ooh.
Wow! Clap. That's amazing. comment, judge.
Alright, so you were singing while sitting down. That's
Wow.
wonderful. That's amazing. What happened to your voice?
What happened
It sounds
there?
like Bon Jovi. Just kidding. Alright, you have a very wonderful voice. Oh, see.
Oh,
Bon Jovi.
Bon Jovi.
Bon Jovi.
It's my life, it's now or never. I'm gonna live forever. I didn't know that.
I'm gonna live forever. And the next G. It's my life. Okay, ikaw naman. Ay, tawagin niyo si Mark Pineda. Wow, very nice. Thank you. High five.
Alright, you're gonna go back to your classroom.
Go back na to your classroom.
Lunchtime.
What's your assignment? Kick some ass. Katawa ka din mong Charlita. Nangangot at tingin.
Saan ang pangalan mo sa Facebook?
Sa January. Ay, wag na lang.
Ay, kita. Sige na.
Ano pangalan mo?
Yung video? Jamaica Parcaso. Yeah, type it as you can see.
I thought you don't speak Tagalog or Ilocano.
Yes. You're lying.
Well, we're speaking in English. And now you speak in Tagalog.